It's Friday.
It's all the same.
Friday.
It's
That's
all
all
in the
that
same
matters.
pot.
Yeah, true.
That's all that matters at this point.
And what are we going into the weekend expecting, Ryan?
Rain. We'll take the rain. The lower temperatures, so much reprieve from the heat. We do have to watch out for flash flooding for some areas, but here in Albuquerque, I think it'll be more of a beneficial thing. 5:01 right now on this still pretty dark morning out there on this Friday morning. Temperatures pretty comfortable across the viewing area, partly to mostly clear skies for now. Slightly clearer skies compared to yesterday morning at this time. 64 degrees in Los Lunas, one of the cooler spots. Meanwhile, 70 degrees at the Sunport. So if you guys are dropping off as kids at school within the next couple of hours, temperatures will drop at least a few more degrees from what we are seeing right now. Rio Rancho, 68 degrees. So temperatures not too bad for this time of the year. A little bit cooler compared to yesterday at this time. And then we'll be warming up, but not as much as yesterday's 95 at the Sunport. In the low 90s, and then we'll drop off a little bit earlier in the day compared to yesterday because of more of those storms. And by the evening time frame, dinner time, temperatures may be flirting with the upper 70s. So we're going to be seeing some rainfall, especially around sunset around the Albuquerque metro. Before then, very spotty showers in the mountains. Getting closer to Silver City once again. The Four Corners, smoky conditions this morning, and then much more beneficial rainfall in Farmington and Durango. Not as hot in eastern New Mexico, but still very warm in the 90s. A better chance of flooding in Ruidoso, not only today, but ahead, and I'll be